I'm a huge fan of just about all DURATECH products to begin with, and this fluid extractor is no exception. It's very sturdy and the seals are all excellent fitting. It's as easy to use as you would think. Simply stick it into whatever liquid you need to extract with the pump pushed all the way to the end, and then pull. It's a little tough to pull, but that's because the seal is so tight to ensure an efficient extraction, or vice versa, an efficient injection. The double rubber ring design creates an airtight seal for powerful suction, and the precision threads on the end of that pump help establish a secure seal to prevent any leakage. It comes with spare seals, a variety of connections for the two different size hoses to make sure you can fit it into a number of small areas. This also extends the hose to give you an even longer reach. As you can see here, they're incredibly easy to put together and frankly, self-explanatory. The syringe comes with 2 extension hard tubes and 1 silicone hose. When all 3 extension tubes are connected, they can extend up to a maximum 50.4 inches, allowing you to reach those difficult to access areas. And the CCs are imprinted right there on the tube for easy viewing and obviously for long-term sustainability without being stickers or stuck on there with any sort of hot press. These are great for transmission fluid, coolant, power steering fluid, gear oil, brake fluid, and engine oil from cars, boats, trucks, RVs, lawn mowers, and of course golf carts, but really anything else that you think you would need to extract or inject with liquid. So as you can see here, this is just how easy it is to use, and you can see how quickly it works. What's also notable is how it's capable of getting just about all of the liquid from the cup, which again, great for time and efficiency. But if you haven't checked out some of DURATECH's other products, you definitely should, especially the tools. They really do have some quality tools that compete with the big box brand tools. So in any event, I highly recommend this. If you're in the market for something like this, give it a shot. I know you won't be disappointed. So reach out anytime with questions or concerns. I certainly hope this was helpful. And as always, have a wonderful day.